Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, June 21st here. We got actually one economic news release scheduled for today, so that we'll jump right into it. We got the existing home sales for the month of May. So back in April, we had 5.57 million existing home sales. Forecast was supposed to show a little bit of a drop at 5.51, but it actually went up to 5.62. So good news right there, especially in the housing front. We've been kind of seeing some not bad, really bad news, but nothing great either. So it's just kind of playing itself out, especially with the very low inventories that we got. We got less than, I think, on national average, less than 3 months worth of inventories out there. So it just kind of shows the scarcity of a listing right now. So let's kind of dive into the headline news. Right now, the stock market's a bit mixed. They were kind of up and then they were kind of down. So it's kind of playing kind of testing its foot in both waters. And part of it is, there was concerns about the oil going down, and then OPEC just kind of came out with the Minister of Iran, based on that they might do a more deepen their cuts, output cuts. So that kind of helped ease a little bit on that side of things. Because it dropped less than like a week, like from $50 all the way down to about $43 per barrel, and which is obviously good for the consumers, but obviously not good for the oil-producing countries or the the companies that produce those. So they're basically coming out with another conclusion of maybe trying to deepen their output. So just be prepared for possible higher gasoline prices at the tanks here coming in the near future. Tech has been kind of going up and down lately. Right today it's going a little bit okay. We've had some good news. Some companies have came out with their reportings, and came out with some good earnings reports. But for the most part, there's been concerns that maybe some of the higher priced tech companies that might be, that maybe there's a bubble coming, and so they've been kind of really evaluating are these overpriced stocks, and concerned that they lose too much money if they're overpriced. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market. And the bond market, as we saw, we had a decent day. We pretty much closed up 16 basis points. Right now, opened about 3 basis points lower than where we left off yesterday. It basically translates to the same pricing. So that's where we're at right now. But we did, as you can see, a test this morning. We were down, all the way down towards the 200-day moving average, and then kind of pulled back a little bit, up a little bit. So this is something that's kind of helping us out. Now, there's some stuff kind of brewing in the background that I don't have the diagrams to really kind of show you, but there's been what they call a death cross approaching. So that's kind of what happened to oil, where basically the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average cross each other. And when that happens, basically the prices on those kind of just tank a bit, and that's what happened to oil. Equities, it looks like, the 10-year Treasury looks like it's going to be approaching that here very soon. So if that hits a 10-year Treasury, that could theoretically help out the bond market and help, and we might see another boost in pricing here in the near term here. So this could be good news for us in the near term. So lately, as you can see, this has been pretty much a sideways pattern here, and that could help break us up to a higher level and maybe get much better pricing. Hopefully, maybe even to levels prior to the election here. But again, we'll have to kind of wait and see how much of a help it will be. So that pretty much wraps it up for the day here. If you guys want more information on data that comes out throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork. I'm on there all the time. Excuse me about that. You find me there all the time. Posting. And also, if you guys are in the market for a mortgage, I can help you guys with that. I'm a loan originator. I can help you with your purchase deals as well as your refinance deals. All right, folks, just feel free to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.